Look at the top of the cycle. It shows a cluster of eggs. A female frog lays her eggs in a large mass on the water. The eggs flow on top of the water until they hatch. Look at the tadpole with legs. Tadpoles hatch from the eggs and swim in the water. They breathe using gills and have a tail. At first, they have no legs, but the legs and arms grow during this phase of the life cycle. Look at the bottom picture. A froglet has a smaller body than a tadpole and is starting to breathe with its lungs instead of its gills. It still has a tail, but it can start to live on land. Finally, look at the adult frog. It is completely ready to live on land. The tail has disappeared, and if it is female, it is ready to lay its own eggs and start the cycle over. This amazing process is called metamorphosis.